Margo. Good morning. Good morning, Margo. Good morning, everybody. We're in Gilcrease orchard. Gonna check some sunflower, pick some apples and strawberries and all those berries. Just a family day today with KK. Oh yeah, so exciting! Yes, we have mommy, dada, baby. It's gonna be fun. See ya.
Push. Wow, we're so strong. Come on.
Good morning. We have arrived at Gilcrease Orchard and we are now walking towards the sunflowers. Ah, really? Sunflower ang name? Ang...
Ito yata may-ari ng farm, no?
Oh my god, so... What time is it? 7:30? It's 7:30 a.m. and it's really bright out already. We are almost there. So here's the entrance to the sunflower farm. And then yeah, that's the field of sunflower over there. Hi, mommy. And there's baby Nia sleeping. Okay, magandang spot. Kailangan magkakatabi. Sunflower yoga.
Siguro mas marami.
No. Okay, I'm coming. Wow, look at the sunflower baby.
Ay, parang maliit siya.
Actually, ito maganda. Ito. Maganda. Maganda siya. Maganda naman.
Saan ko ikakat?
Sa stem. Wait lang.
Mag-start pa lang siya. Isang part ng stem.
Basta yung kasing haba ng plastic. Naka-ready ba to camera?
Hindi ko alam.
Oops.
I'm a survivor.
Daming tao. Okay, so where are we going to take photos? Sorry, baby.
Ganyan lang ito.
Tingin ko para di masyadong tayo kailangan lang naman may tubig siya.
Come on. Mommy, care. Oh, yes. Oh, there's a bee. Are you scared? Look at daddy.
Look at it. Now, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three.
It's a big flower. Yeah, come on. I know.
Edit
I
mo na
know,
lang yung
I
line.
saw. Look at daddy first. Hold mommy's hand.
Mama,
Look at daddy.
smile.
Smile. Smile for mommy.
Oh, baby, how about hold the GoPro? Hold GoPro. Video mommy and daddy. Okay, one. Look, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lapit. Gawa tayo malapit. Bigat naman ng camera. I am here in the apricot trees area. So I'm actually in the side where it looks like people pick a lot of the apricots already. Let's see. Look, the stems are really long. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let's see. Let's go to the other side. There you go. We have the apricots over here. I think they're apricots. I heard. Look, they look really nice.
Yes. Noah, stay with mama.
You ready?
Smile first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy face. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Noah, look up. 1, 2, 3.
Here's our princess. Our Princess Margot. We picked some sunflowers. Sister. Hi. Success. We're now going to pay and then go home. Sister. Oh, we're against the light. Probably. Okay, orchard check out. So we're gonna go check out the flowers that we bought. It's past 9 a.m. already, and yeah, it's really hot.
Sunflower, 5 tapos
5.
4 na tubig.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, $14 here. Got it?
Thank you.
Ate mo, puntahan muna ba natin?
Pwede.
Mami, diretso sa dulo. Yes. Let's go. Tara.
Baby, say bye.
No, put the fan on your face.
On the way home.
We got some donuts to go. Hee hee hee. Mama!
The car, it was fun.
Yeah, look at the flowers we got. Oh, well, it's dark.
Success.
Look here, sister. Look at the flowers we got. We had so much fun this morning.